Hey, Mitch Grooms back for another video. This is I think part 3. I come up with a new name for my 2004 LS 430 Lexus. Black Bitch. Black Bitch is her name. She's been in the shop for a week and a half. So let's get to the video. All right. Hang with me, guys. Thanks. Hey, Mitch Grooms back for another video. Well, I have come back to pick up the 430 LS 2004 from hell, and I've had this car for about 2 months, and the car's been in the shop for a month. Of all my car purchases, you know, as you can see this car channel, I do a lot of cars. For a purchase for myself, this has been the worst purchase that I have ever done. People swear by these cars. I did my research on this car. I had all the paperwork. This lady had owned it before me, has put a total of $7,000 in the last five, six years. She's had everything done. I think you've seen the previous video that I had all the receipts, and it's just crazy. I'm trying to love this car, but at this point I don't trust this as far as I can throw it. This time was the transmission solenoid went out. It was stuck shut. Solenoid C. It would only drive in third gear. The transmission was serviced about 3,000 miles ago, and couldn't tell you. And they got the car at the shop, and of course the car doesn't act up at all when they get the car. Nothing. Car does not act up. It does perfect. They could not get the car to duplicate what I had going on. They just had the code that I got, and they got actually the card. It reset itself. The code was gone. It was still in the system, but it was not throwing a code. The car never went to limp mode or anything else. It just did perfect every time they had it. And I had them just go ahead and replace the solenoid, do a transmission service, and they did that. I'm driving the car home. It is now 5:05 in the morning. Car's doing perfect, but this is what's happened before. The car's done perfect, and then it starts acting up again. I saw before in another video, the starter went out. You don't know this stuff's going to happen. The only thing that I can think that would happen to this car now would be the transmission to go totally out. I don't think this engine for so far has been top notch. I don't think the engine would ever have a problem. It sounds good, no knocking, nothing. It's pure gold. But let's just see if we can get this transmission situated and see if this thing holds up. It's going to take me a full year. I'm not kidding, guys. A full year to trust this damn car. I never liked the looks of it. I love it. Actually, this car is actually one of the best cars I've ever driven. One of the best. I've driven the nicest cars. This reminds me of a newer Rolls Royce or Bentley. That's exactly how it drives and rides. To me, it's top quality. But let's see if this transmission holds up. Oh man, I never have been upside down on a car. Never have been upside down. I'm upside down now. I think I bought a car for $6,000, and now I put $2,500 into it so far. So let's see how it does. Just getting home, and yeah. There's my little house, all lit up. Cadillac. Tell you what, these lights are bright. These lights are bright. We're home. And I'm not going to the gym today. Not even gonna walk. I'm gonna walk Hershey, my dog, and that's all I'm gonna do today. Well, one thing I have to love is look at the lights. Let me get out and show you. This light does not work in the back, so I've got to reach back there and open the door. Let's see. All right. One thing I love is this. All right. Hold on. This is what I love. All right. Isn't that cool as hell? I mean, who does that? Who even does that? It's absolutely beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's get this back up. Yeah. I mean, it's just a work of art. It really is. And the lights up there, they got the same thing up there shining down right there. But it is a beautiful place to be. It really is a beautiful place to be. Just notice this. Look at that, guys. Just notice that. Did not even know they lit up. How cool is that? That one's burnt out. I mean, wow. All right, guys. That's all I know at this point. Let's see how it works out. All right, thank you guys for subscribing, notification bell, and we'll talk to you later. More to come.